Right behind me is Memorial heading west. It's all underwater from here all the way back to the Beltway. I can't even drive down this direction. If you look behind me, you'll see the police cars blocking off the road so that nobody can drive down this way. I'm just on the other side of the barricades. If you look off in the distance, you can see boats boating down the road here. And this is Memorial right here. This is where you normally, there's a curve in the road right there, and at the end of it is the Beltway and City Center. You can see on the signs just how high the water's gotten. Some of it's still got water. Some of it's still underwater, as you can see. This whole parking lot right here. Now, this is where the neighborhood is. I'm facing almost west now. All of this over here is flooded. This is Memorial Drive right here. That goes to the Beltway. This is all underwater. You cannot drive down this direction. You can see a guy's boating down the street right there.